Hi, I'm Scott Jenkins from Jenkins Hardwood Flooring. I'm here at City Flooring in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania, attending my very first National Wood Flooring Association hands-on training. Jason, our instructor, has been absolutely amazing. I've learned so many little tricks, and he's been fantastic at answering any questions I've had throughout this 3-day program so far.
Hi, my name's Adam Zach. I'm with Greater Houston Flooring out of Houston, Texas, and I am currently attending my first NWFA training event for installation. It's been a great event as far as not only learning proper procedures, kind of keeping fine-tuned in what we do, but also a great opportunity to network with other like-minded professionals in our industry, which I feel is super important.
I'm at City Flooring Supply, and I am absolutely amazed at the size of this place. As a contractor, you can't get a better spot to just do a one-stop shop. Anytime you guys want to move to Canada, we're happy to have you.